So today I'm doing a review on my trades for last week. So I'm still holding trades at the moment. So yeah, I'm just looking at how is it going, and some I'm still holding and some they've already hit stop loss, some they've hit TP. So the one that we're looking at now is EURJPY. So my entry was after this retest. So I'm not gonna lie to you and be like I've entered on the way back. I've entered after this retest, right? So because I had enough touches for me, it was enough for me to call it a trend, and then I took it because broke and retest. I've took it on a retest. So when it was around this area, then I've entered the sales. This was my target. So, but unfortunately, instead it was in profit, and it went and hit the stop loss, then came back and hit my target. That's part of trading. That's what we know with Forex. That's what it does. Yeah, and I think looking at this in terms of how I normally trade is that I could have waited for a perfect touch, right? A real touch, because this is not a touch. This is like a near touch, right? But obviously, sometimes in Forex, it doesn't really go and hit a touch. Sometimes it goes almost, you get what I'm saying? And for the fact that we had a couple of touches on this trend, so I mean, it should go down. So, but unfortunately, because of liquidity manipulations and all the stuff, it went and hit few stop losses and then came back and went straight to the TP. But it's part of trading, it's part of the game. That's fine. That's EURJPY. That's fine. Hit the stop loss, that one. Let's look at NZD USD. Same as NZD USD here. I got like sort of a consolidation. I was thinking that okay, probably it's gonna continue going down. I think I've entered it on a daily time frame. So it's looking at it breaking this support. I think I was taking a chance. There's more of I was taking a chance because the risk to reward for it was like, still it was making sense. And I'm looking at it now. I'm thinking of waiting for a breakout and entering again. But we'll see. Let's look at what pattern is it forming here. You might get a discount. Got that. Let's see, what are we forming here? And this is a nice continuation pattern, but we haven't broken out. It's a nice continuation pattern. This looks good, hey? This looks good. Let me delete this one. It's an old analysis. This looks good. So I'll probably enter tomorrow. But this is a continuation pattern and this looks good. So, but yeah, overall NZD USD, it hit a stop loss and I'm thinking of entering again because that's my target. That's my target here. So yes, and then I'm gonna go to another one, which is AUDUSD. Same thing. I've entered the same way that I've entered in NZD-USD. So same thing happened. Hit a stop loss because like this was a pattern, continuation pattern, and then it broke the pattern. Then I've entered, and then it just went sideways until it hit the stop loss. But look at what is it doing. So that was a bad week last week. Yeah, this one is in profit. I'm hoping for a breakout. Let me extend my trend line. Right. I'm looking for a breakout because we are in a downtrend based on the daily time frame. Yes, it's a third touch on the daily time frame, so I'm expecting it to break and continue to give me this, to finish this this pattern. So that's why I'm holding the sales on CAD Japan, hoping for the best, crossing fingers. But analysis is saying it's a sell. We sell. It's part of the game. And then we're looking at EURJPY. This one I know is in profit. This one played exactly how I expected it. 1, 2, 3, 4 touch, and then on the fifth break, enter, boom, in profit. So my target is right where it started. So I'm still holding. So let's see, hope for best. And yeah, I think my target is well off. Oh, it's not. Yeah, no, that's fine. I think that's still fine because we are still, you know, we are looking at going to the downside. This was like a pattern, also a bearish pattern. And if you don't know about how to identify a bearish pattern and all the stuff, like look at some more videos. I think I'm teaching you how to identify the patterns. So okay, let's go pounds USD. Oh, that was last week. This one was clean. Like this one was a clean breakout. Boom, hit the TP. This was perfect. This was very, very perfect. So yeah, sometimes you get perfect trades and then sometimes you just get nonsense. But this was the best trade that I've taken. So let's look at USDCAD is still trading. So USDCAD is still trading. So yeah, I've seen it's still trading. It's in profit, but let's see. Let's hope this retest comes and pushes to the downside, because I'm also holding the sells on USDCAD based on this trend. It's still a downtrend, so let's see if it's gonna complete this pattern to the downside. You know, going with the direction inner, just like I told you in some more videos. This is like an inner trend. The main trend is a downtrend. You get what I'm saying? So there's an inner trend. You get what I'm saying? So the inner trend is broken. Then nice retest here. Even though I could have entered here, but waited for a retest and then I've entered around here when it was coming back, because this was more of a sign of liquidation. You get them? This was more of a sign of liquidation, because most of people will enter on a first breakout. But remember my rules. I needed 4 touches and I've realized that there's only 2 touches. So look at what was the confluence here. We've got 1, 2, and 3, for which makes it 1, 2 retest outside. That's why I've entered when it came back. So this one was, I think it was a good entry. It was a good entry. And it's still in profit. Pounds JPY also still in profit, so but did not do like pounds USD. I wish it like, you know, it shoot down to just like pounds USD, but it's still fine. I'm waiting for pound JPY to go down. So JPY I'm holding the EURJPY and pounds JPY. I'm holding the sells and hoping that, you know what, Japan doesn't disappoint me and come and hit my target. Last but not least, AUDNZD, I'm holding the buys, but I'm in losses, but still hasn't hit my stop loss. I mean, like, depend what kind of trader you can still use the same kind of style in an hour time frame, right? I like holding long trades so that I can make enough profit, so that one trade can at least cover 2 or 3 trades. That's why I like swing trading. So, but if you are that trader who wants to trade swing trading, and if you wanna be hybrid, if you wanna trade swing trading and you also wanna do a short-term trading, you're a day trader, then what you can do is open multiple accounts. Use that account for swing trading, use that one for day trading. Then it should work for you, because I understand some people, they cannot go to the chart and not trade. Like, you know, that's psychology. Like, you don't see a trade, you're forced into trade. So have 2 separate accounts so that at least you can try to, while you're still trying to learn or to improve your discipline. So here I'm looking at an uptrend, so the pattern is still forming, so that's why I entered a bit early. So I'm looking at probably it might come back and push it another touch and push to the upside, but I'm still looking at it completing this pattern. Let me give you what I'm looking for. Let me show what I'm looking for. Where's that little thing? This path. So I'm looking for it to complete a 3rd touch at the top, maybe probably give me a 4th and a bit of this and push to break to the downside. I mean, it's Forex, so we'll just monitor what it does, but that's what I'm looking for. So, and then if it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out. So I'm assuming, I mean, like, we're all analyzing, and the aim is to get the best risk to reward ratio so that you don't end up blowing your account or losing your money. So yeah, that's it from the review of my trades last week. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and as well, please do not forget to leave a comment. If you also want to make, if you also want me to make a video of other stuff, just let me know and then I'll do it. Thank you guys.